Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Did you build this, man?
This is my first build. I've done every bit of this.
Your first?
My first build.
So you didn't have to start with like a 212s or something?
No. Well, I mean, I had 4 8s.
Okay.
Yeah. But it was in a small box under the back seat.
Okay.
Now we don't have a back seat.
Yeah. Nice.
So almost like my first big build.
Yes, sir. All right.
So,
okay.
But
could you tell me your name and what's in here? Go ahead, man. Yeah.
Chad Ecker, and we have 4 XV2 15s on a solid 8, 160 amp hours of lithium, a 1500 farad excess power super bank, a McMahon 370 alternator, wow, a 12 Neo Pro V3 8s in the doors, 8 GT-R1 super tweeters, and so a Drew Jones enclosure, 25 on the back, 50 on the front, 2 to 1.
Wow, this is nice. I like the whole layout, and being a 6, the way the box is, yep. The ratio of it, the tuning. Do you know all of that at all? Or
25 on the back, 50 on the front. Okay. Never metered it, so I can't tell you what.
Yeah, I was about to ask the SPI.
Yeah, so I can't tell you what I meter.
It's all right. What's the bandwidth like on this?
I think pretty good. Most people who sit in think pretty good.
Okay. How low do you play down to? Frequency.
25.
25?
Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah, it's all good. Nice. I like it. And my last question.
Yep.
Do you know your cubes?
20 on top, 10 on the bottom.
Double, 2 to 1. Okay.
Yeah, right at. Yeah.
All right. Perfect.
20-ish to 10-ish.
Okay.
So yeah, 2 to 1.
Perfect.
If you're looking for more video, like I say, underneath the hood, is, I get a lot of compliments on that too.
Yep, I saw earlier. It was really nice.
Yeah. So,
yes, sir. Very nice.
Awesome.
Yep. I'm surprised you haven't wanted to know what it metered just for curiosity.
Part of me does, but but also it's like I kind of like just being able to say I have no idea what it meters.
Yeah.
You know?
A lot of people like to know the SPL, and once you know it, it could be either excitement or it could be disappointment.
That's what I'm scared of.
Yeah. Very nice. Well, really clean job. Nice job with the truck install. It's pretty crazy. You had to probably build into the vehicle like this to get the amount of cubes to fit the 6th. So
start with the bottom, then the back, and then I think we've done the top, but kind of braced it up, and then done a side.
Yes, sir.
Just to try to get the baffle in.
Yeah.
4 layers thick on the baffle, 3 layers thick on the front.
Wow. How thick is the glass?
3/4.
3/4. Okay. Yep. Perfect.
Yep.
Is there a way I could take a picture with this up?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. That's perfect right there. Nice. I don't know if this one. Oh, you got a fire extinguisher for safety too.
I got 2 of them in the back.
2 of them in the back. Oh, watch out! It's gonna hit it. Yeah.
Yes. So electric.
Oh, that one's electric. Oh, all right. That's all right.
They don't really.
That's good, right there.
Probably gonna put a fire out, but it gets me out alive.
That's right. Yep.
In the event. So.
Yeah.
I'm a big team fuse. I got fuses all over. So
oh yeah. Well, fuse will save anything because it could pop before. Is it alright if I come up here real quick? Okay.
I wouldn't be off the rundown show. I'm like I'm there every year. I always keep it busy. I don't know. I'm keeping it busy. Yeah.
This is smart. I like the smart idea of sealing off the back like this. It looks good.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of there's some trickery there, right? So there's a fake back. So when the back fans come on, there's a lot of holes that are in the back that let a lot of this
in the back behind it.
Really? Let a lot of air out of it. So it's efficient moving air through.
Okay. Nice. I'd love to hear it. Awesome. Thank you. bandwidth on that song. Nice.
Yeah, so we just give them a song.
Yes, sir. Awesome. I like it. Don't know. Hey, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.
Privilege. Yes, sir.